Are you struggling with bulk indexing and deleting documents in Spring Data Elasticsearch? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common challenge that many developers face. I totally get it. When you're new to a community and trying to figure things out, it can feel overwhelming. Many developers have been in your shoes, trying to make sense of Elasticsearch and its methods. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked about performing bulk inserts and deletes using Spring Data Elasticsearch. They mentioned that the Elasticsearch template only has a bulk insert method and are unsure how to proceed. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The user is trying to create a method that can handle both indexing and deleting documents in one go. However, they are running into a problem accessing the private prepare index method. This is a common hurdle when working with encapsulated methods in libraries. And stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a simple workaround that can save you a lot of time and frustration. To begin addressing the user's question, we need to create a custom method that can handle both indexing and deleting documents in a single bulk operation. Next, the user should prepare a bulk request builder. This will allow us to add both index and delete requests to the same bulk operation. Now the user can iterate through the list of queries. For each query, they will check if it is an index or delete operation and add it to the bulk request accordingly. After adding all the requests, the user should execute the bulk request and handle any potential failures that may occur during the operation. Finally, the user can throw an exception if there are any failures, providing details about which documents failed to process. Fun fact, did you know that Elasticsearch was originally developed for full-text search? Now, it's a powerful tool for analytics and data storage too. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. In response to the question about bulk indexing and deleting in Spring Data Elasticsearch, the user clarifies that currently, there is no support for bulk deletes or combining different operations like indexing and updating in a single request. They suggest filing an issue in Jira to request these features, although they caution that it may not be included in the next release. Here's a pro tip. Instead of using reflection to change method visibility, consider extending the Elasticsearch template class. This way, you can create your own methods while keeping your code clean and maintainable. And there you have it. You now have a better understanding of how to perform bulk indexing and deleting in Spring Data Elasticsearch. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.